Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily access Google Sheets on your computer and on your mobile phone. So let's get right into it. Firstly, sign into your Google account. After signing in, go to the search bar and type in Google Sheets. Now click the first option you see here and click Sign in. After signing in, you can open a previous project or you can click the blank spreadsheet. To access Google Sheets on your mobile phone, you can either follow the steps that we previously mentioned, or you can download the Google Sheets app. So go to Play Store and then click Search. In the search bar, type Google Sheets and click Install. After installing Google Sheets, go to the folder with all your Google apps and you should see the Google Sheets app there. And that is how you can access Google Sheets on your computer and on your mobile phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with anyone who might need this. Also, don't forget to drop a comment below with any tips, tricks, or questions you might have. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.